Come on, people. We've waited a long time to come here, and I'll remember it. Remember if you're here with me. And the office girls want to see you. Oh. Thank you all. Here she comes. Everyone, keep your hands firm in your pockets. She's a trained killer. Careful. Careful. She's very grumpy. She's just woken up. Very grumpy. I just got run over nearly 14 years ago. She'll be 15 next month. Yeah. Thanks, mate. Just trying a couple of things before we commit to exactly what kit we need. Hell of a setup here. Very unassuming. And then woof. Coffee, cakes. They know how to host clients, I tell you. Full automation, everything from robots that build stuff all day, all night. So down here. So we have one old TIG torch.
Oh yeah, cheers.
Thanks, mate. Right. Like that when you're in Fronius' headquarters. It's a Fronius Sentinel.
Just when you...
Boys on the pit, sorting a few upgrades. That thing doesn't have leads, it's running off its own battery. Try that first. Turn big rocks into small rocks. Alright, please, I'll leave you to explain it. What have we got?
So we got the Fronius Ignis Tig battery powered MMA TIG welder. Really easy to use. Central dial, amps, pulse frequency if you want it. All your standard MMA and TIG functions.
Is that got pulse on it at the moment?
It has, yeah.
That's lovely. It's just, that's not the odd.
Nice and clean.
This is the first bit of plate we've picked up. We've been stick welding with all sorts of things this morning, aluminium. Worth the travel. It's stick welds as well.
Cheers, Tristan. All the best. Yeah.
Cheers. Just cannot get better service than I'm receiving right now from every member of staff I've met this morning at Fronius and now into the afternoons at Rural, but particularly Stuart. 7 years ago I met Stuart and was very good to me at the time. Haven't spoken for 5 years. Touch base, he's still here, which speaks volumes for any employer. If their staff are there years down the line and it's the same person that you dealt with 6 years ago without any contact, and you get straight back in touch with the same man and he remembers you and you remember him. So I don't weld LE, haven't welded any LE for years. That's my first attempt with the plants I'm buying. I think it will pass. That wasn't me, but that's me capping over the top of much smaller runs. We've tried different thicknesses, all sorts. That's me playing around different settings, So Ali is good. That's a specific, that machine will TIG for fun in every material. That's going to be a specific TIG machine. But the little battery secret weapon, that's my main priority to earn some money early this coming year. We'll still TIG like that, and that's without playing with any settings. That's me playing from 110 amps all the way through to all sorts, different speeds. Just mucking around, having some fun. Haven't burnt through a single piece, which normally I would, to be honest, setting up and not doing it for a while. I would be burning holes and stuff and swearing at it. And that's me running in one-handed while filming. If you're just knocking out boot trays or having stuff powder coated, I was doing that one-handed talking to you after several coffees and shaking like a leaf. So yeah, nice stuff. Stuart, thank you, mate. You've been absolutely brilliant to deal with. I think we know what to quote up. This is some place. Am I allowed, before I leave, just to, there's nothing I can't show?
No. Just go around robotic information. Yeah.
Awesome.
No wonder.
Yeah, lovely. Let's do it. Lead the way, mate. You know where you're going. I have no idea.
CMT welding.
Stainless, sort of 3mm stainless.
Yeah. Automated on the robot.
I mean, I'm not bad. There's lots of very good welders out there, but to get my weld looking like that, I have to be in the most perfect condition, mentally, physically, calm heart rate. The robot does that.
So that's
4 hours a day.
A CMT mix, but with pulse in there as well.
Wow. Yeah. Can't compete with that if you're trying to run a big company. Yeah, I'll follow you, mate. You lead the way. I'm going to go on wide angle now. And
so we've got 3 robot bays.
so that's robot MIG set up there.
Yeah.
So that'll be doing sort of what, mainly mild steel, sort of heavy plant. Excuse me.
Wire drive with a CMT torch, which pulses.
Clever stuff.
All different applications.
If I'm confused, the general viewers that I get will also be out of their depth now too. So
Smart cells, so
Yeah.
small compact industrial robot cell for
yeah. So this is one of the ones you see on TikTok and Instagram every now and again, just whizzing around all over the
Yeah.
bloody place and
exactly
doing it 500 times quicker than a man ever could.
You got a manipulator as well, various sizes depending on what component you're.
So that's like a lathe chuck
It's a,
that
yeah,
holds the part, is it? And
exactly. Yeah,
does that automate along with the programming to twist at the right time when it needs to?
yeah. The rotation will,
Yeah.
will come in at the same
Yeah,
position.
it's
Yeah.
just clever stuff. There are some things AI and robots will replace people with. Look.
Yeah. So when you're looking at additive manufacturing, so
This is
the
amazing,
The
yeah.
CNC process, 3D printing with an arc, you could basically describe it as.
You'd never do that by hand ever, whoever you are. Or if you're capable of doing that by hand, you'd be there far too long
Yeah.
to warrant doing it, wouldn't you? That's,
Yeah,
in welding terms, this is aluminium, isn't it?
yeah, it is. Yeah.
That is a robot of a 3D printing program, welding
Yeah.
bead on top of bead on top of bead.
So you weld it
It's
or build it to the near profile of the welding thickness that you're looking at.
Yeah,
And
it's,
then you'll machine it to finish
I was going to say you could mill the side off that and get it, you know, smooth or, you know.
Companies that are doing this would generally either cast a part and you've got internal defects and a lot of wastage, or they'll machine it from a lump of billet, which is a lot of expense.
Well, it's the waste is you're paying for
Yeah.
materials that expensive at the
Yeah.
moment that any waste is,
Yeah,
and all the waste off stuff like that is unusable for anything else, you know. It's, whereas there is no waste for that, is it? It's just
there's none. Yeah.
literally no waste. Fucking awesome. Awesome. And that's just a threat. There's a lot more going on as well, but we're running short on time. Stuart's got to get a car to the garage. I've got to start getting back from Milton Keynes, heading to Sussex to sort everyone else out and get some money in the bank before Christmas. Yeah, I think we know everything today that we need to know, mate. That's been a pretty vast blast, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've covered a lot. And whatever I was expecting, I knew it was going to be good, but it's been better than good. It's been, yeah. Give me a year, Stu, and I'll have a workshop somewhere, or
Yeah.
several workshops, and they'll all look like that.
This is our demo route. When we do trade shows,
I'll just be my spares shelf, mate.
but we'll put that on the back of a looping van and take everything.
And go demo it to people. Yeah, awesome.
Pulse MIGs, TIGs, stick welders, battery powered welders.
Stop it.
Everything, yeah.
Come on. Got a canoe in my pocket. Let's go. Right, that one. We need to go sort that one out, don't we?
Well, this one we'll leave. I'll do you a price and then we can sort that out.
I've already said yes. You don't need to. I've already heard roughly the price, so it's a yes. Let's do it.
The best, and when you're ready, we'll pick up your old delivery.
Let me get back to Sussex, make some phone calls, sort some people out, and I'll give you some money for it. Awesome.
Yeah, I better get my car.
I'll get this out. I'll stop disrespecting you with that in your workshop. Come on. Surprised you haven't set fire to it already. Mind you, Stuart did used to work for ESAB for a long time. Didn't he? They're good companies, and good companies aren't rivals. They support each other, because some things that you do very well they won't, and vice versa.
Lots of good mates there still.
It's a vast product range, and you can't be top in every sector, so you help each other out. Nice one. Right, let's go find that dog.
That's yours.
Let's go deal with the office staff and see if my dog hasn't eaten them all yet. She might have got pissed off and angry. And finish my shag before I walk through the front door, probably. Uh-oh. This door's going to be the death of me. You're alright, you're fine. Sorry, Stuart in here, or is he? Oh, I don't know. I haven't been to the others. There he is. Right, Stu, let's get you wrapped up, mate. Thank you, mate. Thank you for looking after the dog. Sorry she weed on your floor, but it's been she getting carried away. Left her for too long, didn't I? That's wicked. Who welded that at?
Oh, there's a guy that works at the TWI, so we just